Hello guys, and welcome back for part 4 of putting together my 10-inch professional cabinet saw. In this video, we are going to put on my extra 36-inch T-Glide. I hope you enjoyed the time lapse. Alright everybody, so that's part 5 of putting together my 10-inch professional cabinet saw. In this part, we put on the front and rear rails, we put on my extension, and we also put on the 2 legs. Of course, I did have to test it out to make sure that the mobile base, it still moved easily, and it did. It was beautiful, lifted everything up. I was able to move quickly. The only thing is it swings wide now, but it is still fine for me. There would definitely be a part 6 where we put the riving knife on the blade, and of course the fence. We plan to finish the video in part 6. I hope to see you there. Have a great day. Chop that subscribe button, hammer that like button, and mark up the comment section.